Welcome. In front of me is a MyPhone N23, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I will be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible on your display. Once that is the case, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with a pop-up with scroll, edit, and share options visible, and after a moment this pop-up will disappear. Once it does so, you can find the captured screenshot in your Photos application. Disregard the screen recording. Come on. Oh, there we go. So let me just go back. So typically you would be located in the Photos tab. So from here you want to navigate to Library, and in here you will find an album called Screenshots. And obviously in here you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time of using this device. And here's the one that I have just captured myself. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.